Welcome to Ridiculous Visuals. I'm Mr. Ridiculous, aka Los, and today we got another banger. Let's get straight to it.
So today we got the RV ghosting glitch effects. And without further ado, let's jump straight into it. I have a few clips from the NBA Youngboy music video here. First few seconds of the video. All we're gonna do is drag and drop some presets on here and get this ghosting glitch effect going. Let's find a place for the first one. So it's two parts to these effects. You have the ghosting effect and then the glitch. You could use these separately. I just like to use them together. We'll go RV ghosting 1 with glitch 6. Yeah, that's that first glitch. Let's find a spot for the second one. We'll go right here. We'll do ghosting here. But I just make a cut right here too, and we'll just go ahead and put them in their spots. Do the green on that one, and let's do 1 on that one, and you'll see what the effects look like. There's a couple more presets in here. I'm just not gonna go over all glitch effects. There's just a little subtle difference in each one of them. But when you combine them with the ghosting effects, it makes a big difference. So let's play this real quick. Yeah, just like that. Quick, simple, easy, to the point. You can put it on an entire clip if you want to. I suggest cutting the clip up and breaking it down into smaller pieces. It's a little crazy effect to have it going through the whole clip. But yeah, quick, simple. There you go. I just wanted to come and bless y'all with some more free presets. And there you go. I'm out. Thanks.